use either one or two colors, but I'm going to show today several colors. This is 24 karat gold. I normally use extra thick gold leaf, and it is beautiful.
It's amazing.
It's absolutely beautiful color. I mean, obviously, it's very volatile, as you can see.
Yeah.
Make it fly. And this one is green gold.
Green gold.
Yeah, this is a green gold. Also, I use red gold. So it all depends. But this is 24 karat gold. I was going to use, this is shell gold. I break it by hand. It takes 2 hours.
Also, you break.
Yeah, to break it by hand. This gold is Devon tools I bought in Italy, in Florence. So.
You are scrubbing with these tools, yeah?
No, I make puncture.
Oh, drops for the stone, yeah?
Yeah, which people will see in a minute. So,
Amazing.
so I thought it would be interesting for the audience to see something. And also this is clay, clay mixed with hide glue and honey as well.
Honey.
Yeah, honey. So it's all natural pigments, and obviously the clay is of a really good quality. It's from Germany, and hide glue is collagen from underneath the skin of the face.
I'll come back later. See
Yeah,
you.
of course. See. Yeah, I saw Julian. She said she will be coming as well.
I never get to see, like, yesterday I'm painting.
Yeah. Oh, okay, Marie.